All right, so you're welcome to another session of this training. All right, so in this training, I'll be showing exactly how to create paperback cover or ebook cover for your Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing ebooks, right? So now these are the information you needed. You need the number of pages, all right? So by now, I assume that you've actually created your books, rather. You know the number of pages, then the book type, then you know the orientation, right? Especially if you're writing in English. But if you're writing in Arabic or other language, then probably you might want to know the orientation of the books, right? So, but as we go into the tutorial or the training, I'm going to be showing exactly what I'm saying, especially if you are new to Kindle Direct Publishing. Okay. Now, first thing you do is actually heading over to your browser and type in KDP calculator, KDP template calculator, right? So KDP template calculator. Now this is here. I'll click on it, right? So now you can see different results to come. Now the first one that say kdp.amazon.com, then the stuff to cover calculator, I click on it, right? So it will load to a page, right? So now on this page, I'm going to zoom in the page right now so that you can see it very clearly, right? So now you're going to be having something like this. So now they want you to select your binding type, right? So you select paperback, right? So because what we're doing this tutorial for is for paperback. Okay. Now the interior type, so now you select either premium or standard, right, or black and white. But normally I usually publish black and white, especially if you are doing coloring books. All right, either coloring book or sketch or journals, they usually be white and black. So I'll click on white and black, right? So now I'll go to the next one, which is paper type. Now that one will be white paper or cream paper, so you can just select anyone, right? So my own is white paper. Now on the second the next section is talking about we should select the page turn direction, right? So if you are writing in English, it's supposed to be something like left to right, right? So left to right, that is in English. Then if it is, maybe if it is in Arabic, then it will be right to left. So left to right, that is our orientation. Now the measurement, so yeah, I forgot to tell you that initially you need your measurement. So now the measurement should be in inches. Okay, now yes, the measurement should be in inches. Now then interior trim design, all right? So now here is where you select your interior design, all right? So especially if you create your book with Canva, then and it's going to be paperback, maybe probably something like sketchbooks or coloring books. It's usually 8:11, right? 8.5 by 11 inches. Okay, sorry, 8.5 by 11 inches. Right, so now the number of pages, so let's say the number of pages is 32 pages. Now you said calculate dimension, click on this place, calculate dimension, then you click on it. Now it's going to calculate everything for you. Okay, now you can see that it has calculated everything for you. You can see it here and all the English, right? So the width or the full cover width is going to be 17.32 and the height is going to be 11.25 inches, right? So now what I advise you to do here is you come and click on download template, right? So you download template, so it's downloading, right? So now you can see here it has downloaded. So when I click on open, so it takes me to this place. It's actually a zip file. So what I do is that I will extract. On the bottom right corner, you see something like extract. Then I'll click on that extract, and then I will extract all the paperback, right? So now here it is. I have it as PDF and also have it as p.png, right? So that is in image and in PDF. So now let me click on this png, right? So I'll open it, and this is it. You can see it here. So this is the overall dimension. So when you are entering the details into Canva, so you're going to be having something like this: 17.32 by width, then 11.250 over the dimension. So this is going to be the width and height, right? So now why I actually download the template is I would like to upload it to Canva when I get my dimension. So now I'll head over to my browser again and I'll go to canva.com, right? I'll just type canva.com here. So I'll go. If you don't have a Canva account, you can easily create one. It's actually free, right? So but here I'm going to I'm actually logged in, so I'm in already. So what I want to do is that I'll click on this plus icon, right? So it will ask me to design something, right? So I'll click on custom design, right? So I want to have my own customized dimension. So now it asks me to enter my width, right? So and the width, when we go back again and we check, our width is here again, is 17.322, right? So that is our width, 17.322. 17 point. Okay, sorry. The first thing to do is that you come to this place and change it to inch. Inch is IN, right? So that you can have the right dimension. So I'll enter our width, 17.322, right? Now our height, what is our height again? I'll come to this place to check. Our height is 11.250. So here will be 11.250, right? So and I click on create design. Okay, so it is populating now right here. So here is my so here is my design, right? So but what I want to do now, the best way to design your paperback cover is actually going to import that template. So if you import the template and it fits exactly to this section, into this design, it shows that you got your dimension correctly. Okay, so I'll click on this plus icon, then I'll go on upload, then I'll say upload files from device, then files, then I will allow it to load. Oh, look at my picture coming up. So I'll go to download rather. So I've downloaded them, so this is it here. So I'll just go to this one. This is it. I'll click on it and it will upload, right? So it has uploaded. So what I want to do is I'll click on it. So now it's here already, right? But it's not covering everything. So what I want you to do is that you go into this, you click on it and come to this more. Then I want you to set it to background, right? So set background image, set as background image, right? So you click on this one. So you see it fits perfectly into the system, right? So you see there's no line outside or inside. So if you design it like this, there's no how Amazon will reject your book. Okay, now so the next thing is actually importing your templates, probably your cover templates, right? So you probably actually designed them before. Okay, now the next step is actually putting a kind of grid, right, in each of these on each of the pages, right? So that when you import your design, when you import your cover book, it will cover everything. Okay, now I'm going to go and import. No, I'll go and add elements. Go to elements and I'll add grids. I'll scroll down. These are the grids. Okay, I'll just add this one, right? So I'll make sure it fits to this side alone. Then I'll duplicate it and take the other one to this side. You see that? So I can now do any design I want. Okay, let's do a quick design. I can just add element there. I'll add maybe a square. All right, so I'll add a square here. Yeah, so then I'll come to this place. I can duplicate this thing, duplicate it, and okay, so now it's here, and I want to change the color. I can just change the color of this one so that I know that I'm doing on different thing. So this can be front and the other one will be back. Okay, all right. So now I can import templates. Sorry, I can import templates, or I'll just design something. I'll just add text. Let me add text. I'll say I'll add text box here. Okay, I'll extend it. Said tutorial paperback. Okay, paperwork. Then I'll come to this place. I can duplicate it actually. I'll duplicate it. I'll take it down. I'll write something like ebook. Right. So sorry. I'll just say I'll add another text. I'll add text. Yeah, maybe this thing like this. I'll just put it here. Probably change the color. Change the color to this thing. Thank you. Change that one to red. Then yeah, thank you. Yeah, this one I'll just leave it blank. This is just an example anyway. So and I'll just click on download. Then when I'm downloading, I'll download as PDF standard. Right, PDF standard. I'll download it. Okay, it's downloading, and this is just a rough sketch anyway. So the thing has downloaded, and here is my design. So this is my design PDF format, so I can easily upload it to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing ebook. Alright, so if you like this content, I will just want a favor from you. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first to watch it and get to work. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye.